Picking a work laptop shouldn't be complicated, but there are a lot of options out there, and not all of them are built the same. The right one really comes down to what your day actually looks like. Are you jumping between tabs and spreadsheets all day? Running heavy software? Just need something light you can carry around? In this video, I'm covering 4 of the best laptops for work right now, what each one is good at, and who it's the right fit for. Let's get into it. If your workday is mostly documents, emails, video calls, and browser tabs, the HP 14 is worth a look. It's built around a dual-core Intel Celeron N4020 with Intel UHD graphics, 604 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage. Those are modest specs, and it's worth being upfront about that. This is not the machine for heavy multitasking or running demanding software. What it is a compact, lightweight 14-inch laptop that handles everyday productivity tasks without fuss. The Micro Edge bezel design gives you a larger screen area than you'd expect in that form factor, and it comes with Windows 11 Home and a year of Microsoft 365 already included. If you're a student, a remote worker doing light tasks, or someone who just needs a reliable daily machine without spending a lot, the HP 14 gets the job done. The link to check the current price is in the description below. This one sits at the opposite end of the spectrum. The Lenovo V15 business laptop packs an AMD Ryzen 7 with 8 cores and 16 threads, 40 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD. That's a setup built for people who actually push their machines. Think data analysis, running virtual machines, heavy spreadsheet work, video editing on the side, or just keeping 30 tabs open while everything else runs in the background. The 15.6-inch FHD display is clean and clear, and there's a numeric keypad built in, which is a genuine convenience for anyone doing a lot of data entry. Connectivity covers USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. It runs Windows 11 Pro, which is the better choice for business environments where IT management and security matter. If you need serious performance at work and don't want to compromise, this is the one to consider. You'll find the link to check the current price in the description. If this kind of breakdown is useful, subscribing means you'll catch the next one. I cover laptops and tech buying guides regularly. The HP 255G10 makes a strong case for people who deal with large files and need serious storage without stepping up to a premium-priced machine. The headline spec here is the 2 TB SSD. For context, that's 4 times the storage you get on most laptops in this category. If you work with large media files, extensive project folders, or just refuse to rely on cloud storage for everything, that matters. It pairs that with a Ryzen 5 7530U processor, 32 GB of RAM, and a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display that looks sharp for day-to-day use. Connectivity includes USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth, and it runs Windows 11 Pro. For a business professional who needs fast performance, loads of local storage, and a reliable daily machine, the HP 255G10 is a well-rounded option. Link is in the description below. The HP Pavilion Touch screen is the most versatile option on this list, and it's particularly well suited for students and professionals who like interacting directly with their screen. The 15.6-inch HD display supports touch input, which makes navigation, annotating documents, and browsing feel more natural than a traditional laptop. Inside, you've got a Ryzen 5 7520U, 8 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB PCIe SSD. That's enough for smooth everyday performance, though if you're running heavier workloads, you'd want to look at one of the other options here. It's lightweight, designed for portability, and comes with Wi-Fi 6, USB-C, HDMI, and Bluetooth. Battery life is noted as long-lasting, which is a practical bonus if you're moving between classes or meetings throughout the day. If touchscreen flexibility is important to you and your tasks are in the light to moderate range, the Pavilion is a solid choice. The link is in the description below. So how do you choose between these 4? Start with your workload. If your day is light, the HP 14 keeps things simple and affordable. If you're running demanding applications or serious multitasking, the Lenovo V15 with its Ryzen 7 and 40 GB of RAM is in a different league. The HP 255G10 wins on storage and is a strong all-rounder for business use. The HP Pavilion is the right call if you want touchscreen functionality without overcomplicating things. Also consider whether you need Windows 11 Pro. The Lenovo V15 and HP 255 G10 both ship with the Pro version, which is worth having if you're working in a managed business environment. The HP 14 and Pavilion come with home editions, which are fine for personal or solo professional use. One more thing. Storage and RAM matter more than most people think. A machine that can handle your workload today but has room to grow is always a smarter long-term buy than the cheapest option that just barely covers your current needs. If you want more laptop and tech buying guides like this one, subscribing is the easiest way to stay updated. I break down the specs so you don't have to spend hours researching before you buy.